How to check your PayPal account limits. This tutorial shows you how to view your sending and receiving limits on PayPal using the updated 2025 interface. First, open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Next, click on Login at the top right corner of the page. Following that, enter your email address and password. Now, you may be asked to enter a verification code for security. Check your email or phone for the code and type it in to continue. Moving forward, once you're logged in, look for the Help button. You can find it either at the top or bottom of the page. Click on Help to open PayPal's Help Center. Afterwards, you'll see a search bar in the Help Center. Type View Limits in the search bar and press Enter. This will show PayPal's official information about your account limits. Now, with PayPal's new interface, account limits are no longer displayed directly in your profile. If your account is verified, PayPal typically allows up to $10,000 in a single transaction. Depending on your currency and account history, this can sometimes go up to $60,000. If your account is not verified, PayPal states you can send a one-time payment of up to $4,000. There will also be a limit on the total amount you can send over time. Afterwards, your exact remaining limit will only appear when you actually try to send money. Go to the Send Payment screen and start entering a payment. PayPal will display a message showing your remaining sending limit if your account isn't fully verified. To remove or increase these limits, PayPal may ask you to verify your identity. You may need to confirm your email address, link a bank account, or add a debit or credit card. Complete these verification steps to increase your account limits. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you check your PayPal account limits, give it a like, subscribe for more PayPal tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.